Namaskar. Welcome in online learning process. Myself, Mrs. Rekha Kshirsagar from Bitco Junior College. Today, this is the last lecture of this theory part of the rotational dynamics. In the next lecture, that is in the next video, we will discuss about solving of problems, which is supposed to be difficult for you. But don't worry. Today, we will derive the relation for acceleration of rolling body on inclined plane and question bank. In question bank, there are too many possible questions of 1 or 2 or 3 marks. We will discuss about these questions also. Now let us find out acceleration of the rolling body from the inclined plane. For this same diagram which we discussed previously, this is one body which rolls on this inclined plane. H is height of the inclined plane, theta is angle of inclination, S is displacement of this body, M is mass of this body, and like this you have to describe this body. There you will mention on all these things: mass, radius, angular velocity, radius of gyration, linear speed of the center of mass, and h. Have you drawn the diagram or not? Hope so, yes. Now let us see about this mathematical part. Start with me. करताय ना तुम्ही पण? हां, चला सुरू करा. We have to start from third kinematical equation. What is this third kinematical equation? Tell me. Yes, are you remembering it or not? Hope so, yes. See, this is our third kinematical equation. Final velocity, initial velocity, acceleration, and s. From this equation we have to start. Now here we have to imagine at this particular position the body is at rest, that is its initial velocity is 0. That's why we will put this u as a 0 in this formula and rewrite it. चला u ची value 0 टाका. लिहिलं? See, this is 0. Next to this we have to simplify for a because we have to find out acceleration. So write down formula for a. लिहिला का बघा बरं? You got it like this or not? Okay. Now from figure we have to substitute value of this s in terms of sine of the angle. मग काय सांगायला sine of theta विषयी? Sine of this theta is equal to this opposite side divided by this hypotenuse. Yes or no? From this you can write down value of this s as h upon sine theta. ठीक आहे? मग ती व्हॅल्यू आपण ह्या s च्या जागी रिप्लेस करूया. चला करा रिप्लेस. I have replaced here. ठीक आहे? नेक्स्ट टू दिस काय होईल? हा साइन थिटा काय होईल? न्यूमरेटरला जाईल. चला करा मग अरेंज. केलं अरेंज? ओके. पुढे काय करायचं आहे बघा बरं? व्ही स्क्वेअर. आपण व्हीचा फॉर्म्युला डिराईव्ह केलेला आहे. दिस फॉर्म्युला इज रिटन हिअर ऑल्सो. आलाय लक्षात? झालाय पाठ? होप सो, येस. मग सबस्टिट्यूट दिस व्हॅल्यू ऑफ व्ही हिअर अँड स्क्वेअर दिस. स्क्वेअर आहे त्यामुळे ही रूट साईन नसणार आहे. चला करा and rearrange it for acceleration आणि सिम्प्लिफाय करा. बघा बरं हा फॉर्म्युला मिळाला की नाही? मिळाला असेल. हां, सिम्पल आहे. आता पटापट पटापट होईल. आता झाला फॉर्म्युला. बघा बरं तो मेनली कशावर डिपेंड आहे आता? द ॲक्सिलरेशन इज मेनली डिपेंड्स ऑन नो डाऊट जी अँड थीटा अँड वन मोर पॉईंट दॅट इज के अँड आर. येस ऑर नो? मग आता बघा काय क्लिअर होतं आहे बरं या फिगरवरून? काय लक्षात येते बघा बरं? बॉडीज आर हॅव्हिंग डिफरंट शेप. याचा अर्थ काय वेगळं वेगळं इथे? के और आर इज डिफरंट. बरोबर आहे की नाही? के इज डिफरंट, आर इज डिफरंट, दॅट इज मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया इज डिफरंट. अँड ॲज दीज व्हॅल्यूज आर डिफरंट, each body is having different velocity, and since velocity is different, what we can say? Acceleration is also different. म्हणजे acceleration is depending upon which factors? ते आपल्याला इथून लक्षात येतं. Now see here, different quantities are given, symbol of these quantities or unit or dimensions, these things are shown here. I think all about these quantities we have discussed. We defined these quantities, we wrote formulas. Yes or no? If vector quantities are there, we discussed about directions also. Now so you have to go through these and see how these dimensions are. Some dimensions you may remember, or if it is not possible then you can obtain and then you can write down. बघा बरं, हे सगळं बघितलंय ना आपण? होप सो आठवत असेल सगळं. नसेल तर आता परत करायचंय आणि मग पुढे जायचंय. Now see here, moment of inertia of different bodies is shown. Go through these. See first, what is the position of axis of rotation in this case, and in this case the position of axis of rotation is not same. त्यामुळे सगळं व्यवस्थित बघायचंय, फॉर्म्युले पाठ करायचेत. झालेत काय फॉर्म्युले पाठ तुमचे? विदाउट फॉर्म्युला मी नेहमी सांगते काहीच होणार नाहीये आणि आपल्याला प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करायचेत. That's why you must remember these formulas. पटकन लक्षात ठेवायचेत. Now see here in this table, analogy between linear motion and angular motion, that is rotational motion, is shown. Each quantity with its uh, notation and formula is written here. If you will remember all these quantities with formulae, then what will happen? You can define it, you can write down unit, you can write down its dimensions, even you can solve problems if you have formula. See here at last, law of conservation of linear momentum in its mathematical form, or here law of conservation of angular momentum, here also this is its mathematical form. Means if you will remember again this in terms of formula or in mathematical form, you can state statement also. Now see here, few more formulas are given. This is formula for what? Moment of inertia. Now define it. Define it yourself using this formula. This is one more formula for moment of inertia. When we use this, you have to remember this. This is mathematical form of principle of parallel axis. आठवतंय ना? असंच लक्षात ठेवायचंय. This is principle of perpendicular axis. आणि ह्या पद्धतीने तुम्ही लक्षात ठेवलं तर तुम्हाला आन्सर्स द्यायला सोपं जाईल. Now see some questions here. For example, this is question number 1. Define following. Now you have to make one register or notebook and there you have to write down definitions of all one by one. And these are supposed to be your notes then. While writing definitions, you will write down only main words or main sentence. But at the time of exam, you have to write down complete sentence with all words. For example, while making your notes or while answering these questions, for example, see here circular motion, motion along circumference of the circle. This much will do for remembering purpose only. But when you have to write, use complete form. UCM, motion along circumference of the circle with constant linear speed. Periodic motion, motion which repeats after fixed interval of time. Center of mass, it is the point at which whole mass of the body is supposed to be concentrated. In order to study Newton's laws of motion. Rigid body, it is the body in which distance between any two particles is always constant even though the force is applied on that. Banking of road, या पद्धतीने सगळे महत्त्वाचे सगळे वर्ड्स तुम्ही लिहायचे आहेत. फक्त लक्षात आलं? मग या पद्धतीने बघा. सेकंड क्वेश्चन पण आहे. Define these following quantities, write down their unit, dimensions and state formula also. असं सगळं व्यवस्थित वन बाय वन लिहून टाकायचे ह्या सगळ्या क्वांटिटीजचं पण. हा झाला क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 हाय, दॅट इज गिव्ह रिझन. मग या सगळ्या यांचे रिझन्स द्यायचे आपण डिस्कस केलेले आहेत. I will discuss all these questions, means answers of all these questions once again in the next video, but you have to try yourself. Then here draw the diagram. मग कोणत्या कोणत्या डायग्राम्स काढायच्यात हे सगळं इथे लिहिलेलं आहे. करायचं हे मनापासून व्यवस्थित. दिस इज सपोज टू बी होमवर्क. Next to this, distinguish between at least 4 points are necessary while you are distinguishing between these any two. ठीक आहे. पुढे काय बघा आणखी स्टेट मीन्स हिअर क्वेश्चन मे बी लाईक दिस स्टेट्स right hand thumb rule or right hand screw rule or state theorem of parallel axis or state theorem of perpendicular axis. Mostly remember it in mathematical form and then you will state it. ठीक आहे. मग हे सगळं परत तुम्ही लिहून टाकायचे आहेत म्हणजे यांचे आन्सर्स तुम्ही लिहिणार आहात. Derivations. While writing answers of these questions, diagram is necessary with labeling. then description from the diagram, then mathematical steps and conclusion at the last. या पद्धतीने व्यवस्थित डेरिव्हेशन्स करायचे. आणखी पुढे पण क्वेश्चन्स आहेत. सगळा पार्ट आपण इथे कव्हर केलेला आहे. मोस्टली 13 derivations are there. And thank you for watching this. Thank you very much. Bye.